I mean, at the end of that 90 minutes, the last 10, what a goal from Maria Francis-Jones, if I can just say. But then to go to penalties as well, I mean, it was a real emotional roller coaster.
Yeah, and they believe, every single one of them and every single one up there, they believe in this team and where we're going. And like I said, just they don't give up. We come from behind twice, and this team don't give up.
And in terms of Maria, I mean, what a way to begin her chapter at the club as well.
We actually had a little chat in the gym this week about how cool it would be, because there's pressure like this, you know. She's made history as that first player that a fee's been paid for, and we said what a way to make your mark would be to score or assist in a cup final, and she's done it, and what a goal, by the way.
Absolutely, and I mean, what a special occasion to be able to share with all these fans as well. Incredible support here this afternoon, Jenny.
We're so grateful. I mean, look at the numbers that they've come in. Hopefully they want to keep coming back after what they've seen today, because it was just a fantastic game.